Kiriro kia arimi a waru ni gitanyitwo guthira thutha wa thirikari cia kaunti ithathatu kunyitana niguo gukuria thoko ya waru guku bururi-ini na ningi gutigirira mitaratara iria igathikitwo ya gubokera waru ni athingatwo na kinyi makiria hoka ni uritu utakiritie kilo 50.
State governments will work closely with law enforcement agencies and the judiciary to ensure full compliance to the regulations by the industry players.
Hamwe na kaunti ici ni Nakuru, Nyandarua, Elgeyo Marakwet, Uasin Gishu na West Pokot, arimi magitanywo kugunika na njira ya kumagitira kumana na buroka aria makoretwo makimashaithia.
The national government through AFA to immediately gazette the county crop inspectors submitted by the Council of Governors and further undertake immediate capacity building for the inspectors.
Makiaria hede ya mushemanio wao mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru, governor a kaunti ici ni mamenereirie thirikari nene ni gukorwo ikirongoreria guteithiriria urimi wa kahua, macani na iria na gutirika urimi wa waru. Ede urimi uyu heaga bururi utonga wa ciringi bilioni 70 o mwaka.
A country wants to grow agriculture, then we need to look at those crops which have high potential, and we are saying that potato has such potential for exports in other places in the world, but also for us to be food sufficient apart from just relying on maize.
How comes a crop that is the second most consumed in the world has not had greater attention in our government? And that's why we're asking for a task force, and we're asking for a support that we will be able to take that crop to a notch higher than even coffee and avocado.
Matogoretio ni gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui ni moretie thirikari nene kumanyita guoko niguo gutigirira urimi wa waru ni wagacira guku bururi-ini, kuria moretie thirikari guthondeka watho murumu wa kung'ithanira na aria mekunyitikana makiagarara watho ucio. Na oho maabitha aria marithurimaga mawatho ma waru kaunti-ini ici macabithio ngatheti-ini ya thirikari.
The assigned counties will work closely with all other actors and the industry players to strengthen compliance with the provisions of the regulations, as well as support and facilitate the county inspectors to undertake their roles in the industry.
Indo iria ciumaga nja wa bururi na kurehwo guku bururi-ini ni cihatagiriria urimi wa indo ngurani. Governor ya makiuria thirikari nene rungu rwa ministry ya urimi gutigirira waru iria ciingira guku bururi-ini ni ciarumirira mawatho maria ni hamwe na uria cibatie ni gubokerwo.
We call upon our farmers to fully support us, the county government, together with the national, in implementing these regulations.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Geto Baithira wa Kihara.